The 3% doesn't work all the time. If you want to use the 3% as it is currently referenced in ASME and other places, which is strictly related to irrecoverable loss, you want to make sure that that inlet line is short enough so that dynamic loss is recovered before the valve is fully closed. So technically, if you want to use the 3% irrecoverable pressure loss as your criteria, you need to ensure that your inlet line length is less than that critical value. It's not 2 times the length, the geometric length of the pipe divided by the speed of sound. It's actually about 70 to 75% of that. So that's where we are today. Everybody says, well, the inlet pressure loss, you have engineering contractors, you have people that are designing new plants, modifying existing plants, and say, well, you know, have you calculated the pressure loss? It has to be 3.000%. Ridiculous. You don't even have the computational accuracy or sufficient accurate information to calculate that pressure loss to plus or minus 0.5%, if not maybe 1%. And that irrecoverable piece is not what's really driving that quarter wave instability. It's the dynamic loss. And if you really wanted to apply the 1948 3% rule, you would have to calculate total pressure loss. So if you know your PRV blowdown and you calculate the total pressure loss, which is dynamic plus irrecoverable, and it's less than the blowdown, then you're okay.